how did Drive My Way help you with some of the challenges that you were facing, help you and the team evolve the recruiting process and approach for Hansen and Atkins?
I have never been as impressed with a team of recruiters as I am with the team that I have at H&A. They're averaging anywhere from 33 to 41 hires a month. And I
Okay.
can I can really put that back a big portion and a big chunk to the job that Drive My Way does and the ability to give us those qualified candidates. Every given day, there's another location. You might have a driver quit. You might have two, three drivers quit. We might get more freight lanes there all of a sudden, in 2 weeks, we need 10 drivers in this location in order to fulfill the contract that we had. And the flexibility and Drive My Way being able to have that footprint in the industry with very well qualified candidates makes it so much easier. Because like I said, if I needed something and I needed visibility for a quick location, I can send that email, I can send that text message, and it was literally done by the end of the day, if not sooner. So the fact that Drive My Way has that ability is a super big game changer for us.
Talk a little bit about what you like the best about the Drive My Way solution.
I will continue to go back to the flexibility. It's not very often that you are working with a company that will be there for you when you need it. A lot of times, it's yeah, 8 to 5, sure, weekend maybe. I've never had a company or even an account manager or team, regardless of what time it was or what day of the week, reach out to me and be as consistent as Drive My Way has. And I really think that speaks wonders for you, Beth, as a leader, but also for the love and the dedication that your team has to Drive My Way.
Would you recommend Drive My Way to another company?
Oh, without a doubt. Like I said, if there's one thing that I will say, and I've probably said it 12 times, flexibility. It is the ability and the want of the accounting team and the customer success team to want to be as successful as we want to be. And there is no other company that I've used that has given me the benefits that Drive My Way has, if I'm being honest.